In this video, we'll strip away the noise and focus on the fundamental price principle of trading with the market trend. Alright, let's talk about breakouts. Something I've always liked because they can really simplify your trading when you get them right. In this strategy, we're focusing on breakouts from higher time frame, which help us catch bigger moves instead of getting stuck in the noise of a smaller charts. To make this work, we use an indicator called breakout. It's super handy because it draws a line on your chart based on the higher time frame you pick. Adding it to your chart is easy, even if you're just starting out. On TradingView, go up to the indicator section at the top. Now click it. A window will pop up. In the search bar, type in breakout. And look for the one by Michael Wallen. It'll be in the results. Once you select it, you can tweak the time frame to whatever fits your style. Okay, so let's get the breakdown indicator set up properly so it works for us on the 5-minute chart. Once you've added a trading view, click on the indicator settings. There's a little gear icon next to its name. In the settings, go to the inputs tab. You'll see an option called close time frame. Change that to 1 hour. This tells the indicator to base its line on the 1 hour candle's close, which is perfect for spotting those bigger breakout levels while we trade on the 5-minute chart. Now if you're looking at your chart and still don't see the line, don't worry, it's an easy fix. Jump over to the Style tab in the same settings menu, find the breakout option, it's the line it draws, and switch its color to something that stands out, like a red, blue, or white, or whatever it's not blending into your background. Hit OK and boom, there's your line, showing the 1 hour closing price right on your 5-minute chart. But hold up, we're not ready to trade yet. The line is just a start. We need a little more to turn it into cash. Keep watching because I'm about to show you how to pair this with another tool to nail those trades. Alright, so here's a key thing to know about trading, especially if you're new or been struggling. We don't just jump in on one signal and hope for the best. To make this strategy solid and boost our chances of winning, we need something to back up what we're seeing with the breakout line. It's all about confirming the move so we're not guessing and losing cash on shaky trades. That's where our next tool comes in. It's super easy to add. Head back to the trading view, click on the indicators button at the top again. When the window pop up, type MACD reloaded into the search bar. It's a twist of the classic MACD that I really like for this setup. Look through the results, find MACD reloaded and click on it to add it to the chart. Once it's on your chart, we're going to tweak it a bit to make those breakout signals crystal clear. Stick with me because I'm about to show you how to use it to know exactly when to buy or sell. Let's keep going. First, head over to the settings of the MACD reloaded indicators and in the inputs tab, find the short moving average link and change that to 100. The line tracks price action over a shorter window, so you can catch those quicker shifts like a snapshot of what's been going recently. Then look for the long moving average length and set that to 200. This one's your wider lens. It smooths out the ups and downs to show you the bigger trend. Already you're creating a setup where you can compare the short-term moves against the long-term direction. Here's how neat is that. It's like having two bodies giving you different views of the same trade. Next, flip over to the Style tab. You'll see some options like MACD and Trigger. Don't sweat those right now. Just turn them off completely. We're keeping this simple and zeroed in on what matters. Then check the histogram settings. Make sure it's on columns. This little gun is going to show the gap between your two moving averages, which can clue you in momentum shift. Now let's make it easy to read. Set color 0 to green. This will be your positive signal. Then disable colors 1 and 2 since we don't need the clutter. Finally, switch color 3 to red for those negative shifts. That's it for the setting. You've just customized a tool that's going to help you spot opportunities without all the confusion. Okay, let's talk about how we're going to trade those breakouts. It's a key moment for you if you're just starting out and trying to get a better grip of trading. We're keeping this practically and easy to follow, so hang with me, because this is where you can start seeing some real clarity in your decision. Here's the deal. We're watching for the price to break above a line. That's what we call a bullish breakout, or drop below it, which is a bearish breakout. Sounds exciting, right? But hold up. Not every breakout is worth jumping on. Some can trick you or go against the bigger trend, and that's where a lot of beginners and struggling traders get tripped up. So how do we sort the good from the bad? That's where the MACD Reloaded comes in to save the day. Picture this. You spot a bullish breakout on your chart. Price shoots above that line. Before you hit that buy button, check the MACD Reloaded indicator. What we're looking for is a histogram showing up, and it needs to be green. That green histogram is like your green light. It confirms the breakouts got some real juice behind it. And only then do you open a buy trade. Without the confirmation, you might be stepping into a fake out, and we don't want that. Now let's set up safely. For your stop loss, place it just below the low price of that signal candle, the one where the breakout happened. This keeps your risk tight. Then for your target, aim for 3 times the distance of that risk. So if your stop loss is say 10 points below, you're shooting for 30 points gain. It's a simple way to tilt the odds in your favor. For a sell trade, you're watching for a bearish breakout. Price drops below that breakout line. Just like with the buy, don't jump in blind. Check the MACD Reloaded indicator. You need to see a histogram, and it's got to be red this time. The red histogram confirms the breakout's legit, giving you the go-ahead to open a sell trade.